Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you to remove some duplicates from a list of data. So taking this list of cryptocurrencies here, we highlight our list, click on the data tab, click on remove duplicates. Excel's automatically picked up that we've got this column title cryptocurrency. All we need to do is leave it as is and click OK. So that's removed the 5 duplicates that we had in our list. So this function also works over a couple of columns. So we have another example here. We can see that these first two are duplicates and these two are duplicates. So again, highlight your list of data. Data tab's already there. Click on remove duplicates. Again, it's picked up our 2 headers. So all we need to do is click OK. And it's removed the 2 duplicates that we have there. It's just left the uniques. So this is quite a powerful function if you've got a large data set list and you just want the specific identifiers in that list. Hopefully this tutorial helps you.